Hi everyone! On behalf of Linda, Sertan, myself and the entire SERVSIG community, welcome! We have some very exciting news that we want to share with you.
SERVSIG proudly presents the 2020 SERVSIG Awards show. Unfortunately, we were not able to celebrate the great achievements this year, so we decided to make a virtual award show. These awards are usually announced at the SERVSIG Conference and Frontiers Conference, but this year you can enjoy them from the comfort of your home. This year, we created 5 episodes. These 5 episodes will be broadcasted over 5 days. Each day, we will celebrate the winners of a different award.
So those 5 episodes will be over 5 days. So in order, those 5 episodes will be: the first one, SERVSIG Conference Awards and announcement of the next conference venue. The second episode will be about the SERVSIG Best Dissertation and SERVSIG Best Paper Awards. The third episode will be the SERVSIG Emerging Scholar Award presentation. The fourth episode will be SERVSIG's Christopher Lovelock Career Contribution Award. And the final one is the one where we will announce the next SERVSIG Doctoral Consortium and Frontiers in Service Conference location.
So in the week of July 27th, 5 days in a row, from Monday till Friday, we will broadcast 5 days in a row the SERVSIG Award show. On Monday, we will reveal to you the award winners linked to the SERVSIG conference, as well as we will reveal the location and the host of the next SERVSIG conference. On Tuesday, we will reveal to you the best doctoral dissertation finalists and awards, as well as the finalist and the award winner of the best SERVSIG paper. On Wednesday, we will reveal to you the emerging scholar. On Thursday, the Christopher Lovelock Career Contributions Award winner. And on Friday, we will reveal to you the location and the host of the next Frontiers in Service conference, where also the SERVSIG Doctoral Consortium will take place. We look forward to seeing you there.